Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making a cake. This cake is a seasonal cake, basically something to do with mangoes, which is very high on magnesium, so which is extremely essential for your immunity. So we will be again making it more healthier. So let's look at the ingredients first. I have the whole wheat flour, which is about 1.5 cup. I have about one tablespoon of melted butter. I have about half a cup of sugar, which is raw sugar, about 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I have about half a cup of oil. This is about 3/4 cup of curd. This is half a cup of mango pulp, freshly grinded pulp. And this is 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So first we'll mix in the dry ingredients. So here we have the wheat flour. To this we'll add the baking soda, baking powder, and I've added a pinch of salt in the wheat flour. We'll keep this aside. And now we'll mix in the wet ingredients. First we'll take curd. To this we'll add sugar. And we keep whisking till the sugar gets dissolved. So I have taken homemade curd, which also has a water content, so that we don't have to add in additional water or milk. So it's dissolved completely now. To this we'll add oil. And whisk again. To this we'll add about a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Sorry, I had skipped this one, so you can add, if you have mango essence, you can add the mango essence also. So here I've added a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Give it a whisk. Add the melted butter. So we need about 1 tablespoon of melted butter. We need to basically form it as one, homogeneous liquid. See, now you can see it's completely formed. To this we'll add the mango pulp. And about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So now this is done. Now we'll add the dry ingredients to this. So we'll sift the flour in 2 times minimum. Remember, I had told you that I've already added a pinch of salt in my wheat flour. This is the second time we are sifting. If you want, you can add some bites of mango inside this also. So that's completely optional. I've already preheated my oven at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes. While we prepare the batter, the oven will be heated up. So we'll add it in 2 batches. We don't have to over mix the batter, we have to just give it a gentle stir. the second batch. So this is how the mixture looks. Flowy. Now I have greased a cake tin. I'll add the batter in there. Now level the cake. Three to 4 times of tapping it and putting it in the oven for about 30 minutes on 160 degrees. Sorry, about 180 degrees. So our cake is done now. We'll insert a knife to see if it comes out clean. It is clean. We'll allow it some 30 minutes of cooling and then we will demold it. Till that time, we'll just cover it with a cloth so that all the moisture is intact. So our cake has cooled down. Now I've made a small drizzle for the cake. So this is fresh cream that I have used. In that I have put fresh pulp of mango and some saffron strands. Just to make the cake more soft and mangoey, I thought I'll just make a drizzle for this. So for this, we'll just poke through the skewer inside the cake so that the flavors go in. And then we will drizzle it. So this is how the cake looks now. We'll just cool it down in the refrigerator and then I'll cut the pieces. Thank you so much friends for watching my recipe. I'm glad that I've been hearing a lot of good comments from you guys. I'm also open to feedbacks, so do write to me and I keep looking forward to sharing new recipes with you guys. And so you know what to do. Like this recipe, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family, and also press on the bell icon. Thank you so much.